Ever felt your anger or anxiety spike and wondered why it just won't quit? What if I told you that every overwhelming emotion you feel naturally lasts less than 90 seconds? That's right, a minute and a half. After that, it fades, unless you feed it. The secret? Your thoughts. The stories you tell yourself can make an emotion linger for hours or even days. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to take control of your emotions before they control you. We've all been there. Snapping at a coworker, arguing with a loved one, or replaying a humiliating memory from years ago. It feels unstoppable. But here's what's really happening. Your brain releases a flood of chemicals every time you feel strong emotion. And here's the kicker. They flush out of your body in 90 seconds. So why do emotions seem to last forever? Because we keep thinking about them, replaying the scene, crafting a story. That's where the real trap is. Understanding this changes everything. You're not powerless. You don't have to ride every storm to its peak. You can step off the emotional roller coaster and regain control. Why we get hijacked by emotions. Anger, disappointment, and anxiety, these are signals, not enemies. Yet your brain loves to turn them into dramatic sagas. You missed a deadline? Suddenly it feels like the world is ending. Forgot a promotion? Instant panic. Reality check. Everyone else has moved on. You're the star of your own movie, but everyone else is busy with their own scenes. That perspective is freeing, and it's the first step toward mastering your mind. Cognitive reframing. Disappointment isn't reality, it's the gap between expectation and outcome. Missed the promotion? Instead of thinking, I'm a failure, try, this is just one step. How can I improve for next time? One frame crushes despair, another opens doors. Reframing transforms pain into actionable insight. It's not positivity, it's accurate thinking that gives you agency over your life. Your emotional first aid kit. We pack first aid kits for scrapes and cuts, but what about anxiety, sadness, or overwhelm? Create a personalized toolkit for emotions. Physical, 10 jumping jacks or a quick walk. Sensory, a calming scent or favorite song. Cognitive, a mantra or problem-solving question. Social, text a trusted friend. Pro tip, build this when you're calm, not in the middle of a crisis. That's how you turn chaos into preparedness. Break rumination loops. Ever tried not to think about something and ended up thinking about it more? That's rumination, and it traps your mind in loops. The fix? Don't fight the thought, redirect it. Name 5 things you see. Move to a new location. Engage in 3 minutes of focus. Count backward, solve a puzzle. Take one productive action. Your mind is water. Let it flow constructively. Spotlight effect. Think everyone's watching your every flaw? Think again. Most of the panic you feel exists only in your head. Everyone else is busy worrying about themselves. Realization? Your perceived judgment is mostly imaginary. Freedom comes from stepping off the mental stage you've built. Third-person self-talk. Swap I for your name in internal dialogue. Instead of I can't handle this, say Alex can handle this. It's a tiny tweak with huge effects. Suddenly, your brain shifts from panic mode to problem-solving mode, like giving advice to a friend, but to yourself. Contrasting mentally. Positive thinking alone? Not enough. You need mental contrasting. Visualize your goal, anticipate obstacles, create if-then strategies. Example, want to exercise? Visualize the energy and confidence you'll gain. Anticipate being tired after work. Plan, if I'm tired, I'll do 10 minutes and reassess. Optimism plus preparation beats wishful thinking every time. Anti-Fragility and Stockdale paradox. Stress isn't the enemy, it can strengthen you. Cold showers, fasting, tough conversations, these build resilience. Stockdale paradox, have faith you'll prevail, but face the brutal truth of now. Hope without ignoring reality. This balance keeps you strong through long, uncertain challenges. Building your personal resilience system. Integrate everything into a system. Cover 4 areas. 1. Physiological. Practice daily 478 breathing. 2. Cognitive, third-person self-talk plus Stockdale paradox. 3. Behavioral, 92-second rule plus mental contrasting. 4. Social, 3 to 5 supportive people, weekly check-ins. Systems beat willpower, habits beat panic. Resilience isn't about avoiding storms, it's about dancing in the rain. Start small. Pick one technique. Practice for a week. Layer another. Step by step, you're rewiring your brain. Ask yourself, what if your next emotional storm didn't control you? What if it became your signal to grow, act, and rise? Your life isn't defined by challenges avoided, it's defined by how you face them. Take that first step today. Build your resilience. Plant the tools in your mind so they find you when you need them most moments. And remember, the journey starts with one deliberate action. One step, one day, one moment. Take it now.